Hi everybody, I'm Heather LaForte from Grand Living Realty, and I'm coming to you this week from the Waterfront Park in Palm Coast. And this is actually one of my favorite parks. So much to do here. It runs all along the Intracoastal. It's just a beautiful place to walk. It's a paved path. There's actually a really cute children's memorial garden that's cute to walk through as well. Pay some respects to those families. And across the way is the hammock. So I have to always throw this in because I always throw it in when I can because I'm from Long Island. The rumor is that Eddie Money wrote 2 Tickets to Paradise about Palm Coast when he lived in the hammock. So is it true or not? I think it is. I've never verified it directly with him, but it definitely is paradise here. So it's a little chilly today, which is why I'm drinking my Swillerbees coffee. 45 degrees. This is the place for all my Northeast friends that want to keep a little bit of the crisp AM air. You'll get it here this time of the year. So we're in our winter right now. But we are going to kick off the home views with Heather this week with a very important part of anyone's home in Florida, which everybody has a lot of questions about, which is shutters. So we're gonna have Rickard from Smart Guard Shutters, and he's located in Bunnell. I'm gonna have his contact information. He's gonna go over some important questions that he gets asked a lot. If you have additional questions, you can contact him direct. You can always email me at sold@heathersouthsunshine.com. You can call me direct at 386-244-9050. And I'd love to connect with you about any of your real estate needs as well. As always, thanks for watching. And if you find it useful, please share it with a friend. Have a great day.
Hello, my name is Rickard with Smart Guard Shutters, Smart Choice and Hurricane Protection. We're located on US 1 behind Stones Plus. This is our building. Come on in, I'll show you. So hurricane season here in Florida runs from June to November. We're here to protect your home during those times. We offer 6 different types of hurricane protection, all the way from the cost-effective aluminum panels to the very nice decorative roll shutters to Bahama shutters. We manufacture 3 of the products. We manufacture accordion shutters here, Bahamas, and Colonials in our shop right here in Palm Coast. All of our products are Miami-Dade rated, so they approve that they can be installed down in Miami just like they could up here in Palm Coast. This particular version of the Bahama shutter, like I said, is either impact rated, or we also offer the decorative fixed pitch loop style if you want just some shade for your house. So accordion shutters are another option that we offer. They're a permanent structure that stays on the house year-round. They fold flat against the opening, and then all you do to shut these, you just pull the blades together, they lock in the center, and push it. And now that home would be ready to go, hurricane ready. Over here is our rolling shutter option. These and the accordions are available in 4 different colors. We have bronze, beige, ivory, and white. This particular model has the crank on the outside, so you just crank it up to operate. They also are available in electric, remote controlled operated, so a lot of folks are going with the smart home route, so you can actually open these shutters from your smartphone. Pretty cool.
Yeah, so I'm the new face working in the sales department. One thing you're probably going to be going hectic with is when hurricane season comes and plywoods ran out, you can always call on us. We have panels that are going to be able to fit for your house. The clear option or the aluminum option here, definitely going to be a great thing for you and have a need. So you can call on us.
So if you just moved down here to Florida and you go to look at your house, if you had hurricane shutters on there already and you're missing hardware, you're missing, the screws are rusted, we can help you with that as well. We offer and stock all of the hard to find parts, such as wing nuts, we have screws, anything that you need. If your shutters that you have on your house already are non-functional, we'd be more than happy to come out and take a look at them as well. Or you can just come down and see us. Like I said, we're at 7 Enterprise Drive on US 1 behind Stone Plus.
The dream team.